Today, I will be showing you how to create a Preply account. First, go to the Preply homepage. On the homepage, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Login. Even though it says Login, this is also where you can create a new account. Once the page opens, you will see options to sign up as a student or as a tutor. For this tutorial, we'll choose Sign up as a student, so go ahead and click that option. Next, you'll be asked to enter your basic details. Type in your full name, email address, and your chosen password. Make sure your password is secure and easy for you to remember. After that, don't forget to tick the Remember Me box so it's easier to access your account next time. Once everything is filled out correctly, click the Sign Up button to continue. Your Preply account will then be created, and you may be asked to verify your email before getting started. And that is how to create a Preply account. Thank you for watching.